Hello students, Ncert Solutions, Class 12 Physics, Chapter number 1, Electric Charges and Fields. Question number 24. Two large thin metal plates are parallel and close to each other. On their inner faces, the plates have surface charge densities of opposite signs and magnitude 17 into 10 to the power minus 22 coulomb per meter square. What is electric field E vector? Number 1 in the outer region of the first plate, number 2 in the outer region of the second plate, and number 3 between the plates. In this question given that two large thin metal plates having surface charge density this plus sigma and minus sigma, and this sigma is given surface charge density equal to this 17 into 10 to the power minus 22 coulomb per meter square. हमें कैलकुलेट करना है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इन दिस रीजन and number 2 in the second region and number 3 here this in third region. So first part in the outer region of the first plate, that is in region first, the electric field intensity due to this plate is due to this positive charge is away from the positive charge, this is E1, and the electric field intensity due to this negative charge is toward the charge. Therefore, direction of E2 is this, and hence in the first region the total electric field intensity E first is equal to this E1 vector, or this is plus E2 vector, and here this E1 is equal to this sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. थ्योरी पार्ट में हमने इसका डेरिवेशन किया था. द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू this large sheet, uniformly charged large sheet, is given by sigma upon 2 epsilon naught minus this is also sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Negative charge के कारण this is toward the charge, and therefore this is equal to 0. Now similarly, electric field intensity B part, electric field intensity in the outer region of the second plate. Outer region of the second plate means in region third. Here electric field intensity due to this first plate, which is positively charged, is away from the charge. This is E1, and similarly due to this negative charge is toward the charge. This is E2, and therefore this E third is equal to this E1 minus E2. Total electric field intensity, therefore here plus, but sign are opposite. Therefore this is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught minus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught is equal to 0. This is total electric field intensity in third region. Similarly, C part between the plates, that is in region second, the electric field intensity in the second region. Suppose here electric field intensity due to first plate is this, away from the positive charge, and due to this negative plate is also in the same direction, this is E2, and hence this E second is equal to this E1 vector plus E2 vector. Both are in the same direction, right? Now you know this sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, or this can be written as this is sigma upon epsilon naught. Now on putting the values, here sigma is given How much? This is 17 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon this epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. On solving, this is equal to 1.92. 1.92 into 10 to the power minus 10 Newton per Coulomb. So this is the electric field intensity in region 2 here, and in region first this is 0, and in region third this is also 0. So this is the answer of this problem. Thank you.